Okay, today we're going to talk about linear extrude. This is a kind of cool thing, but first I'm going to show you something called text. And I'm going to say, let's say, please like. And I'm going to end that with a semicolon and see what it looks like. So it's kind of big. So let's make it a little smaller. We'll say comma and we'll say it's 2. And then it's kind of small now, so let's make it a little bit bigger. We'll say 3. Now that's flat, so when we print it you're not going to see much. So let's try linear underscore extrude, and let's say that it's a height equal to 2, and then we're ending it with the semicolon on the text, so we're good there. So let's see what it renders as. So now it's a little bit bigger. Now if you want to put a maker's mark in like your work, you could say something like difference, open and close paren, open and close curly bracket. Let's cut and paste this over here. Let's indent it a little bit. And let's put a rectangle over it. So let's say cube, open and close paren, open and close square bracket. We'll start off with 0, 0, 0. And let's see how long it is here. Looks like it's 20 long, so we'll do 25 long for the width. For length, we'll say 10 just to be safe, and then the height, we'll say 10 to be safe, and end that with the semicolon. And let's see what it renders as. Okay, it looks like we got a cube. What's going on underneath? It says please like backwards. Huh. Maybe it's forwards. But if you like my tutorial, please like and subscribe, and thank you for your time.